Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 628 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and now we have to scroll down until we will find the display and gestures. It should be in the phone section, so let's tap on it, and as you can see right here on the 5th position we've got screen timeout option, so let's tap. And here we've got some options from which we can choose, and as you can see right now we've got 1 minute option applied, but we can set either 15, 30 or 45 seconds, or 1 to 10, 30 minutes or even 1 hour, so it's quite long. And here you've got also the auto sleep option. So all you have to do in order to change the screen timeout is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick for example 10 minutes, and as you can see after tapping on it we immediately go back to the display and gestures, and here we've got the, let's say, notification, the information that from now on after 10 minutes of inactivity this device will black out. So it changed actually immediately. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your HTC Desire 628. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.